Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. So the data updated you today is that NAP explain confusion around Miguel Sap. Nabi said, in those cases we ask Inacio Miguel how he feels and as well the medical staff. Nabi replied, if the player is able to return and the doctor gave me the green card, then both of them said that he could try. But unfortunately he could not, and after that he got sub. We will wait to see how he is doing and get the thoughts of our medical staff to see if he will be there for the next game. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.